Welcome back to another video. This is the second video of Unit 2. This video is on basic derivative rules. Let's review what we learned in the last video. The power rule. The derivative of x raised to any nth power is equal to the nth power being moved to the front, then you multiply the n times x to the n minus first power. So the power loses one value, and you move that power to the front, and you multiply the x by that. Okay, here's another rule. Let C be any constant. A constant is a number like 20, 10, even E. E is a constant. The derivative of any constant is equal to 0. So for example, the derivative of 7 is equal to 0. Here's another rule. If you have the derivative of f of x plus or minus g of x, depends whatever you're doing. It could be plus g of x, it could be minus g of x. You can take the derivative separately and then add them or subtract them at the very end. For example, here we have the derivative of 4x plus 3. That might look a little scary, but then when we split them up like this, we see that the derivative of 4x is equal to 4 because by the power rule. And then the derivative of 3 is just a constant, so that's equal to 0. So that leaves us with 4 plus 0, or just 4. Now here are some derivatives that you have to memorize for your exams. The derivative of sine x is equal to cosine x. The derivative of cosine x is equal to negative sine x. This is where students might get it mixed up because you can't just go back and forth over and over. You have to know where the negative sign goes and where it becomes positive. And finally, the derivative of tan x is equal to secant squared x. There are more trigonometric derivatives that we'll learn later, but I'll teach them later on because right now I want you to make sure you have these nailed down. Thank you.